Hello everyone. Today I have learned a story from my story applications where I have read a story uh, of the Fat Kings. Once upon a time, there was a, a king who was very hot, kindness and supportive kings. He always support his person, but he had a bad habit. He always uh, he is very lazy and he uh, don't work. Uh, he don't work. He do not work too much for his kingdom. He only ate and slept. Uh, looking this, every kingdom person will worried that our king does not do work work. If he do like this, then our kingdom will be destroyed. One day, a holy person came to his kingdom, and minister saw the holy person and said that to holy person, "Hey, sent. Uh, we have a problem." Saint asked to minister, "What is your problem? Tell me. I will try to fix." So minister said, "Our king do not don't don't do anything. Only eat and sleep, and he do not uh, do. That's why his body he has be he has be, been he has become a fat, very fat, and he cannot move anywhere." So holy person said, "It is not big issue. Uh, i will uh, i will i will solve this problem, but uh, you have to uh, bring the kings here." So minister said, "You if may you go with my kingdom, so it will be very helpful." So holy person said, "No, I can't go. Your king have to come here." So minister go and said to king, "Sir, you have to go to near about the holy person." So holy person, then king went to holy person, and then holy person said, "You have to come. Uh, mm, you have to come at my place every day. I will check and give you solution. How can how how it will be fixed." So when then king listened, and next day king reached, sent home holy person place. So on that time holy person was not there. So king come back to his kingdom. After next day, uh, went to meet the holy person, but that day holy person not available at that place. Then king come back. Then also king back come again his kingdoms. Then he saw that he can move. He can move now. He realized I can move now. I think that's why holy person are calling me for every day. He know that if I will move every day, so I can my health will be good. From that day he realized I should moved in my kingdom, and I should work every time. I should do work so I can be healthy and fit. From that day, he started his working uh, itself, and seeing this, his kingdom person will be happy. That was my story, which I have read today from uh, my story application. Thank you for listening. I know I cannot deliver a story as well as which I have read from the story application, but I try to deliver in a right way, but I have made lot of mistake, so sorry for that. uh, uh, I will try to uh, I will try to uh, always I will try to deliver a story in always right. But right now I'm also learner, so that's why I'm making lot of mistake. Thank you for listening me.